Okay, we're going to be servicing the tractor today, and it's 8 hours service, and we're going to show you how to do it. One thing you will need is paper towels. Yep, we need some paper towels, and yeah, sorry about that. Paper towels and our grease gun, which is right over here. Right there. Right there. And we need to know where to grease them. We've already kind of figured that out. So your grease points are right there. See that little nipple thingy right there? And there's one on the other side over there. And there's one
inside the wheels.
on the inside of the wheels. Right there. And over here. Okay. I'm going to give Arvin the camera while I do this so he can get a better picture. And here you go. It's already running, just point it to where you need to point it to.
I don't need to press that in.
Nope, it's all good to go. You're rolling. Alright, got my paper towels. And you always want to wipe that off too. Wipe that off, and we're going to wipe this off, all our grease points. Alright. When you grease it, let's go ahead and turn the wheel. Can we turn it? We can't turn it this way from here, can we? Yeah, we can. Okay. What we do is we put this on right there. And then we're going to give it a couple of shots. The manual says only 2 shots. Watch out because it's really hard to take off. And then we're going to go. There it is. Alright. Alright. And then we're going to go.
The other side?
Yeah, the other side. Turn the wheel manually. And there's a grease spot right there and one right there. And I already wiped it off, but I'm going to do it again. Just because. And do not get this grease on your hands. And we're going to plug it in right there. Alright, and inside the tire. Okay.
And that's it?
That's it for the front axle.
Okay.
And next we'll be moving on to the mower deck.
Well, you already got that.
Well, they don't know that.
Well,
They do now. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
This was all done earlier, the more.
Yeah, we're kind of doing this backwards.
Yeah.
So I actually ended up deleting this part of the video, so that's why we're redoing it. But I actually I deleted this part of the video, that's why we're redoing it for you guys. But later, the tools you need are a grease gun, some grease, which is already loaded up, paper towels, and the compressor over there. Show them the compressor. And we got that. And you will need for this tractor, you will need a metric ton wrench so you could get these off, right here. They're
Okay.
little guards and stuff like that. You do not need an air compressor, but the air compressor is a big help.
It did help, didn't it?
Yeah, it helped a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we'll get a bigger one next time, but this has got to do for a while.
Yeah, this is what we got for now, and you know, we'll see you soon.
Okay. And a light.
And delight, yeah, we actually figured out how to get electric to the garage without doing any wiring.
Yep. So,
We just flipped a switch.
so I guess that's it, James. And
All right,
adios, amigos.
we'll see you after the break.
Okay, what you shut it.
Hey guys, this is the maintenance part of this. We're doing the deck mower on the tractor. We got to put some grease in that. And the noise you hear back there is our little compressor. We got to get all this grass off there and stuff. But we're letting it's about to stop. About 125, it stops at 125 psi, and the hose blows about 90. So that'll last for about 2 minutes, and it'll cut back on, and then hopefully we don't have to wait too much longer. But anyway, as soon as that cuts off right there, we'll go ahead and finish up blowing it off. Doesn't look like it has a whole lot. Okay, it doesn't look like it has a whole lot of grass up in here, but there we go. And we got this little tool right here. It was extra, so. And hang on. Alright, I'll put it on about 90. I didn't think that was going to last long. That's the one thing we're going to do. One thing we're going to do is open the hood and open the hood and blow that off. I'm doing this one-handed, so it may not be the best. Take some time. We have a calling it Little John or Little Johnny. However, it comes out of her mouth sometimes. Sometimes Little John, sometimes Little Johnny, and you know, sometimes just John. But anyway, the black things right there, the covers, I got to take those off to get to the grease. And there's one on that side, and there's like one in the middle somewhere. Maybe two, I don't know. You gotta be really careful in there. Because there's a lot of stuff that will cut your fingers off. So, I'll get going in a minute. Let me allow this thing to pump up and I'll be right with you. Okay, as you can see, we've cleaned out all this part. And we are looking for, there's one right there. We were looking for these things. I looked at the manual and, you know, I really don't know. I really don't know. So, we're gonna look until we can't find them. And we're using the camera to check it out. Because what they're saying is you should grease. I don't see the nozzle for the grease gun. So there's one on this side and there's one on the other side of this. So since we see those, we're going to go ahead and grease them. We're going to hook the grease gun right up to that. I can't get a good view on the camera, so let me do that. Well, okay, guys. Okay, there's one right here. You see, and there's one on the other side of there. And there's one right in here on this deck. And they say, let me get my hand out of here. And they say there's supposed to be one right in there. Say there's supposed to be one right in there. I don't know. I can't find it. And I don't know, man. I got that one right there. I might have to crawl up underneath the mower. All it does is take 2 shots of grease. Alright, let me try going up underneath the mower. Okay guys, for now, what I did, I looked at the manual and it said use a spray for that. Now what I did, I put some of the grease that we had, and I just went ahead and put that grease on it with a paper towel and kind of wiped it up a little bit around there. I made sure I stayed away from the belt. So that's it for this. And this is its 8-hour maintenance for Little John. And I do have to wash it up. I'm going to go ahead and spray it off once more. And then put the covers back on. And that'll be it for this one. Until next time, we'll see you later. Have fun, live it, love it, share it. And don't forget, thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already.